Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home for sale. It is located in the cool hills of Fairfield Mountain, Manchester. This spacious split-level home is ideal for a family or those who enjoy tranquility and extra space. Situated on a half-acre lot, the property offers plenty of room for outdoor activities, such as gardening and landscaping or expansion. The serene and quiet neighborhood provides a peaceful environment for relaxation. Call now to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.